Honey? Honey? Am I on YouTube? Can you guys see me? Hi. Can I see you? I can't see you. Well, that's okay. Let's do some math. Hi guys! So I have had a lot of feedback and oh yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. I've had a lot of positive feedback and a lot of requests already from people who want to see how to do a number of different math things. Just simple things that are kind of building blocks for other things in, math. So today, we're gonna start with just plotting points on a just plain old coordinate plane. See what I did there? Like plane, coordinate plane, except they're spelled different. Yeah, so anyway, let's get started. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe or push that little blue bell thing that gives you the notifications and stuff, because that stuff will let you know when I put out new videos. Okay, so here we go. Let's learn some math. All right, I'm gonna start out by putting numbers on my coordinate plane. Here I have the x-axis. See there's a little x right here. All right, and then here, the vertical one is the y-axis, and it has a little y right there, just to help us remember in case we forget. All right, so I'm gonna write the numbers on this side of the x-axis. On the right, I'm gonna have my positive numbers, and then on the left side, I'm gonna have my negative numbers. And I just thought why the left always gets a bad rap? It's always gotta have the negative numbers. Why they have to be negative, huh? Anyway, that's just how it goes. So I'm gonna fill those in, and then with my y-axis going up, I'm gonna have positive numbers, and then going down, I'm gonna have negative numbers, okay? So I'm just gonna write those in, and I will speed up the video if I can figure out how to do that and stuff, like all the fancy YouTubers, so that you don't have to sit there for 10 minutes and watch me. Okay, here it goes. Okay, so now that I have my coordinate plane all filled in and stuff, and then don't forget 0, 0 right here in the middle, we call that the origin. Okay, that's called the origin. I'll write that over to the side here. It's where everything originates. So I guess that's why they call it the origin. I don't know. It's one of those things. Okay, so 0, 0 is our origin. So what we do when we're gonna plot points, and this might be review for you, that's okay. It's just one of those things like everything in life. If you don't use it, you lose it. And so we want to just give us a little refresher for how to plot these points. And a lot of people surprisingly have trouble with just filling out the graph, the coordinate plane, and just putting the numbers. You just want to go in, the fancy term would be ascending order, which just means the numbers go up this way and then descending or down it this way, okay? And same with your x-axis, okay? The numbers ascend or go up this way and descend, go down that way, all right? You always want to make sure that that is consistent. Consistency is key, is I don't know, I feel like that's a saying or something. Okay, so now let's talk about ordered pairs. So an ordered pair, and I'll write that for you. ordered pair, not like the fruit pair, but like two, like a pair of shoes or something, like a pair. Okay, so an ordered pair is two numbers that you're going to use to find a point on your coordinate plane. So for example, let's say, I really wish I had like a black marker. I should probably get one of those. So I'm using gray. I hope you guys can see it okay. So let's say that I want to plot a point. I'm going to put this little parenthesis here, and I'm going to put another one over here. Okay, it's going to hug that ordered pair. And so let's say I'm going to switch colors on you. I'm going to put a point at 4, 6. 4, so I put a 4, okay? And then I have to put a comma. There's a comma, it separates them. Otherwise, it would be 46, and I don't want to write numbers that high. Okay, so 4, 6. So I've got my 4, and I have my 6. So I've done them in 2 different colors because like colors are pretty, and also because like, well, I suppose it like helps keep it easier for you to tell which one's which. I mean, just saying. So there's that, whatever that color is, that like pinkish, purple, magenta. And then here we've got the orange. Okay, so all of our, we're gonna count our orange ones first, our x-axis, and then we're gonna count up our y-axis. Okay, we have to go over and then we'll go up. All right, so if I go over with my orange, it says 4. So I need to count 4. Oh, I hope I can count that high. It's been a while. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I went over 4 on my x-axis, and now I need to go up 6. Okay, so now with this one here, I'll use the weird color to help you keep track. I'm gonna count up 6. 1, we got to 4, we can get to 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now if I like have my points meet up, then my 4 goes to here. I'll draw a little line so you can see. And then my 6 goes to here. I guess I probably should have done that like the other way, like orange. Do you see what I'm saying? I don't know. Give me feedback. What helps? What makes sense for you, I guess. So then I can put my dot right here, and I'm gonna make it both colors because it is where both points meet. Okay, that's where they meet. 4 across and 6 up. All right, that's how we do that. Okay, so whenever we're plotting points for ordered pairs, always go X and then Y. And I'm gonna write that there, X and then Y. Okay, that's how you plot them. Now, before I leave you, I wanna show you one in one of the other quadrants. Okay, quad means 4, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of these like sections, so we call them quadrants. Okay, I'll write that for you too. Quadrants. Quad means 4. Okay, so I'm gonna do a point. I'm gonna plot a point in a negative quadrant so that you guys can see what that would look like, okay, like in, you know, math. All right, so again, I'm gonna take my orange. Orange is for our X in this case, and I'm gonna plot a point that is at, let's say 8, and don't forget your parentheses. Sorry for switching out pens so much on you. It's just, you know, this is like in the moment, like in real time. And then we'll do 8, 10. Okay, 8, 10. Close my parentheses. This is my ordered pair. Oh, I forgot something. Why didn't you guys tell me? Oh my gosh. So because I want to go into a quadrant with negative numbers, I need negative numbers. You guys were just going to let me use these like positive numbers. I need negative integers. Okay, so there is my negative 10 and there's my negative 8. Okay. So starting with X, we start with the X. You know, I'm just gonna keep the caps off of these pens. Like I'll probably draw on myself. So if you see me tomorrow at school, then just like, don't make fun of me. Like yeah, it's hard, okay? It's hard to be me. All right, so negative 8 is our X. We're gonna count over 8, and I don't want my hand to be in the way. I told you it's hard to be me. Okay. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like click that bell and stuff. I think I'm supposed to say that. And hashtag Tindall Teaches. Okay. I don't think I said the name of my channel yet, and I'm supposed to do that. I'm kind of new at this. So like hashtag Tindall Teaches, hashtag, and I will write it up here. Don't forget to click, there's a subscribe somewhere around here, and then the little blue bell. That's what I'm supposed to say. That's what I'm told I'm supposed to say. So I hope you guys are proud of me. Okay, so X is negative 8. So I'm going to count. And remember, my hands are shaky. I'm sorry. There's literally like nothing I can do about it. Okay, so sorry. You just kind of have to deal. All right, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative what? Negative 7, negative 8. That is where I want to go for my x-axis. I went over, okay? Now I need to go negative 10 for my y-axis. And if I had thought this through better, then I totally wouldn't have written over where my point's supposed to go, okay? So, but you know what? Life is all about mistakes and all about learning. So lesson learned, don't write over where your point is supposed to get plotted. Okay. All right. Now we're going to count negative 10 on our y-axis. Negative 1, I can't go up here, these are positive numbers. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10. So now I need to find where the two meet up, negative 10 and negative 8. Dun, 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 dun. Right there. That's it, right there, right where I wrote. Oh, well. All right, live and learn. So if I am to put my little lines, my little dashes, okay, see how that goes to negative 10 right there? All right, and if I put my little dashes, see how this goes to negative 8 right there, and there's the point. What's the point? The point is right there, okay? The point is right there. So now I have a little bit of a mess right here, but some of you are already used to me and know that, you know, I just kind of, you know, make it work. So the point. Okay, there it is right there. So now you know how to plot points on a coordinate plane, which is this thing, this graph grid thing, okay, that whatever you guys call it, its official name is a coordinate plane. These are our coordinates. We're plotting our coordinates with ordered pairs, ordered pair, okay? Pair meaning 2. All right, so hashtag T2, T squared, okay, T squared, hashtag Tindall, that's me, teaches, T and T, T squared. See, it's all about math, guys. Math is everywhere. So click subscribe if you like this video, and don't forget to click the little bell because I think it's blue. I think it's blue and it looks something like this. I think that might look like a ghost. There's the bell. Don't forget to click that and subscribe if you want to get notified of more videos. I've got lots more coming because of lots of requests. Okay, guys, so I will see you soon, and I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, bye. Bye.